Hey, we need to talk about what happened last night.
Yeah, I know. I messed up. I'm sorry.
Sorry doesn't cut it when you ignored my calls all evening.
I was busy with work. You know it's been crazy lately.
Work? So you just decided to ghost me without a word?
I didn't mean to ghost you. I thought you were asleep.
I was waiting for you to at least text. Felt like I didn't matter at all.
You do matter. A lot. I just didn't handle things well.
It's not just about last night. You've been distant for weeks.
I guess I've been stressed. Didn't want to bring that to you.
I want to support you, but you gotta let me in. We're supposed to be a team.
I want that too. I promise I'll do better.
It's hard when I'm always the one reaching out first.
I know, and I'm sorry for making you feel that way.
Sometimes I feel like I'm more invested in this than you are.
That's not true. I love you. Just been a mess lately.
Love means nothing if it's not shown in actions.
You're right. I'll show you more. Starting now.
I don't want empty promises, I want change.
Then let's start fresh. How about dinner tomorrow? Just us.
Okay, but this is the last chance, Jake.
I don't want to lose you. I'll make it right, I swear.
I hope so, because I'm tired of feeling alone in this relationship.
You won't be alone anymore. I'm here.